So now these base cleats are a lot easier than getting around the corner, but you're going to apply the same technique. You got it squeegeed in here. You're going to make a cut right along there. You're going to make a cut here, make a cut here, and fold this over so it's underneath the cleat. Remember not to go right to the edge. You want to come in a little bit. Peel it up. Just use the same technique as you did the edges of the corner cleats. Once you've got that, you see it starting to crease around here. So we're going to give that a little shot of heat, smoothing it out. And away go the creases. Once you got your film all the way around the bottom part of the cleat, you may want to use a little bit of heat to get it around the corner and tucked up underneath. Doing it the same way, push down to the edge of your case, then come up underneath the cleat. Try not to stretch it, so peel back the excess and then push it up underneath, just like that. Now that is all the hard parts about the install on an ABS case. So do all the other cleats like that, and then you're going to go around and you're going to finish the edges, right? So you peel back the edge, bring it around the hinge the same way I showed you in the Tolex case. Just lift and pull and push it down with your squeegee, just like that. Then it's a matter of just trimming off all the excess. So go ahead and do that to all the base cleats, and then we'll trim it up and you're done. And lastly, remember always to post heat your graphic. You want to be able to see the texture of the case through the graphic film. So get your heat gun and your homemade roller. Just like that. Make sure that you do all the edges, especially around here, anywhere that it might lift up. When you're done, you should be able to see the texture of the case through the graphic film. If you see areas that are smooth, go over them again with your heat and your roller. You want to make sure that you see the texture on every bit of the graphic. Now, like I said before, I don't recommend leaving the graphic on the feet. So what you should do is take your utility knife and trim right around that and peel this off. I'm leaving this because I want to see how long it's going to last before it actually gets destroyed by carting it around and pushing it around on the floor. So cut around, peel that off, and you're perfect. And just like that, your case is done. There's no more ugly black. You got a really nice design, front and back.